Hello everyone and welcome back to the HTD Talent channel. Today we're going to be talking about how software engineering hiring is changing for junior talent in the three biggest ways that it's going to evolve in 2025. If you're a recent grad or an aspiring software engineer or even a hiring manager, this video will help you to understand what's coming and what you should be prepared for. So let's dive into the three major shifts we're seeing in terms of how companies are hiring junior developers today. With tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT becoming more popular, you might think that AI is actually doing most of the heavy lifting when it comes to software engineering today. But here's the reality. More and more companies want junior talent who already have the fundamentals. Now, why is that? Because when you're coding with AI and it makes a mistake, or you're doing something that's much too complex for AI to be able to handle, you, the developer, need to be in charge. And that means debugging, writing complex algorithms, and thinking critically. So if you're a junior engineer learning to code, don't skip the basics, master them. You're going to need them for the job that's ahead of you in 2025. Now, the second major shift for junior talent hiring in 2025 is that companies will actually need fewer engineers on the team. Yes, that's right, fewer engineers. Now that might sound scary, but this is the reality of where tech is in 2025 and the advancements that AI has made. AI tools are already automating many of the tasks that junior developers used to perform, like basic code writing or debugging. So as a result, companies will hire fewer engineers, focusing much more on the quality of junior talent than the quantity. So the key for junior engineers is to make sure that you can show how you will bring unique value to the team with creative problem solving and collaboration skills, and the ability to demonstrate your expertise in a niche area. And finally, number 3 in our shifts in 2025, after you show that you can master coding without AI, you need to learn to code alongside AI. In 2025, companies won't just look for coders who can write clean code. They'll want you to work with AI tools and be able to know when it makes a mistake and fix that error. These tools are powerful, but they're not perfect. Sometimes they'll introduce bugs or misunderstand the requirements. So your ability to identify those mistakes and be able to fix them sets you apart in 2025. So there you have it, 3 big changes coming to junior talent hiring in 2025. They'll want you to know how to code without AI. They're going to hire fewer people. And once you can code without AI, they want you to be able to code alongside AI and fix the mistakes that AI is going to make. If you're a junior developer or an aspiring coder, the takeaway here is very clear. First, focus on building a strong foundation, and then learn to use AI as a tool and not a crutch. Now let me know what you think about this list in the comments below. Is this exciting for you or intimidating? And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights like this as we go further into 2025. So until next time, keep learning, stay innovative, and let's build the future of junior talent hiring together.